least 3 people are dead this morning and dozens others are hurt after tornadoes hit the Texas Panhandle. Take a look at this damage here. This morning, crews are still searching through the damage for any possible survivors who may be trapped. And we do have video of another possible tornado in Perryton. That's the same area where a confirmed tornado touched down yesterday. This is the video. People there are waking up this morning to widespread damage. You can see more than 25 units were destroyed at a trailer park. The National Weather Service says it won't know the strength of the tornado until it can conduct damage surveys.
In Perryton, Texas, population 8,000, the word devastation doesn't even really scratch the surface. I'm standing right now on Main Street, and I don't know what you envision when you think about your downtown area where you live, but it's probably not this. Bricks littering the street. You have plywood that is plastered everywhere, buildings that have been crumpled, and absolute chaos. This right here used to be a gym. Now, gyms, restaurants, bakeries, nail salons, all sorts of businesses have been wiped out. According to the mayor here, he says there have been 30 businesses that have been damaged or destroyed and 100 homes. And when you look at that figure of 100 homes, which could easily be 5 to 10% of the population here, about half of them, he said, are trailers or mobile homes, which is to say that the folks who live there, everything that they had inside of those homes. There is right now a search and rescue effort that is still ongoing. In fact, the Texas task force, there are 2 of them, arrived on scene this morning. I watched as a canine was going all over this rubble looking for signs of life or potentially for victims. Right now we know there's been about 75 to 100 people injured, a very large number, and those range from minor cuts and bruises to collapsed lungs. You also have 3 confirmed fatalities at this point, and we know actually just this morning that those include 2 women in their 60s as well as an 11-year-old boy who was inside of his trailer when one of these tornadoes struck. So tragic news coming here from the north part of Texas as we wait to learn more about what authorities are going to unearth today as they go through the process of searching all of these lots, all of these damaged areas and broken hearts all through North Texas. Sam Brock, NBC News.
Tornado is just 100 yards or so right there. Getting some large hail.
Leave a comment and share this video with your friends. With daily uploads, there will always be a conversation.